Anybody can control a woman's body.
Right.
See? But the key is to control her
Hey yo,
mind.
I tell them I come with them O's like I bring them pies in. If things get out of hand, we colliding. My goons riding. Mark you up, homie, I ain't talking about signing autographs, just like Usher. You really got it bad. See me with my shades, see me in my bag. The weather real good now, no it's not bad. Just got released and now I'm not sad. But no worries, I'm blowing like flurries. I be on my straight shit and you real curly. So I call you stooge, you know I'm that dude. I talk a lot of shit cause I know my mouth rude. You know I really back it up, laughing at you motherfuckers. Stomp you with a pair of butters, fuck your girl with a rubber. They telling me that my bars is incredible. Bad situation, then I gotta let my hammer blow. Fiends on a block looking different than regular. Got a code on the safe, something like a register.
Let them know, J-Rock.
Get them V-Tech.
I got you. They say anger's for those who have a weak mind. Each time I spit, I release it when I speak mine. My feelings and my words, all I got. Cause we living in a prison or a jail cell with thoughts like the Holocaust. Whoever with me, simply I'm like all aboard. Seize all the noise, be a bitch and go call your boys. I'm a one-man army, immune to the heat so the sun can't harm me. Yeah, this young man's charming, about to take out the garbage. My sword needs sharpened, still wondering where my heart went. Lost in a maze of bullshit, reload the mag, get a full clip. Dudes turning into bitches like they did a full split. I do a spinner-rooney mule kick at these so-called cool kids with thoughts like this that created an empire. Posting up 10 flyers for an entire album. Yeah, I've been fired.
Yes, sir.